2 Fundix Internship Program. $100,000 in virtual capital. One target, make $250. Sounds simple until you're down $80 and questioning every decision that got you here. This is the full screen recording, uncut, no commentary over the charts, because honestly, trading is just thinking. You, the price action, and your discipline. That's it. You'll hear me practicing French and maths on Duolingo throughout this. You'll see my profile, my daily streak, because discipline isn't just about holding trades. It's about building yourself in every area while you're waiting for setups. This is what week 2 of Fundix actually looks like. The drawdown, the recovery, the work. The Fundix internship program is 4 weeks. $100,000 virtual account, Forex CFDs only, 1-to-1 leverage, no drawdown limit during the internship, which sounds generous until you realize that just means you can lose as much as you want and still technically stay in the game. Week 1, done. Week 2, target, $250 minimum profit. Get it, and you're one step closer to the funded stage where they give you real capital and you start earning real payouts. Don't get it, and you reset. Unlimited attempts, which is both a blessing and a curse because it means there's no excuse except your own discipline. So let me not waste any more time, right? Let's jump into it. So as you can see, right, this is GBPNZD 15 minutes time frame, right? So understand that I do a top-down analysis, which makes it rather more easier for me. I do a top-down from the weekly to the daily to the 4 hours down to the 15 minutes. Execution is done on the 3 minutes time frame. Yes, so I look at various financial instruments to help me in my speculation of the markets, right? So what that means is I look at market correlations, market structure, as well as a tad bit of fundamental analysis. Right? I don't really go full deep, but I integrate my fundamental analysis with my market structure analysis. Yeah, but don't worry about that. Right, right now I'm just browsing through the charts, letting y'all get a grasp of what I'm virtually seeing. Right, on the dollar, I'm currently bullish on the 1 minute time frame, but still overall bearish on the 15 minutes time frame. What that means is I'm essentially looking for a change of character within the 1 minute time frame to further enhance and go with the sells. If I do not get that, if that change of character does not occur, then therefore I will not be entering a trade on my Euro USD pairs, the Euro denominated pairs. I'll focus elsewhere, right? So as you can see, Australian US dollar, right? So as I said, I'm still bearish on the dollar. So therefore I'd be looking for bullish movement on the USD base pairs, right? Your Euro, your EU, GU, AU, right? I'd be looking for bullish movements in the sense that I'm still bearish, right? But as you can see, we've made a 15 minutes change of character on the AUD USD, right? Premium pricing being in that red rectangle that I've highlighted in there, right? So essentially I'd be looking to take the longs to that supply area, right? But as I've said, we're still bullish on the 3 minutes time frame, but we're still bearish on the 15 minutes time frame. We might have a change of character on the 15 minutes time frame, which then invalidates this whole setup and further enhances the AUD USD setups, because if we are bullish on the DXY on the dollar, therefore we shall be bearish on the AUD USD, right? So I'd be looking to take positions on that supply area there, that premium area, and look to take profit on the recently printed lows, right? Simple market structure, you know, buy low, sell high. Yeah. So therefore, again, all of this does not happen until price either reaches that premium pricing, or I get a change of character on the US dollar. Then I could scalp the buys to that premium area, right? I'd be looking to take the buys on that premium area, right? And then once we get there, if the dollar is still bearish, we might be still looking to break that 15 minutes high and make a 15 minutes change of character, right? So therefore, I wait for price to tell me. You see, would just be liquidating there, take the longs into that premium area, and we could possibly take out those lows. Anything is possible. I mean, really, like, it's just, I can't predict. I just react to what the market is telling me, and right now, you know, I just follow my analysis. So yeah, that's basically what I'm seeing. Bunch of liquidity there. Because what I'm realizing is it does not matter what you call these concepts. Really, liquidity sweeps, ICT, it doesn't really matter. What matters is the execution, right? Are you are you executing according to the plan? Are you following that? You know? Yeah, but essentially that's really what I'm actually going about. Be looking for the cells in there, right? Because at the end, market structure is bearish. I'm looking for the cells in there, you know. Until price gets into that premium area, I'm on my hands. I'm just sitting on my hands, right? If I get a bearish indication on the DXY, I might be looking to scalp the longs to the premium. That's it. You see, on the 1 hour change of character, we're filled that fair value gap there, right? We could be looking to go short, right? I can't tell you, right? But then we also had that change of character there, that blue area being the demand. So we are still bullish on the 1 hour, right? We could be just coming into that discount, that demand area, to further push higher. I mean, really, anything, like, you can't predict. Right, so therefore I'd be looking to take the shorts into this discount area right there. Right. That's it's a retracement. Right. We are bullish on the 1 hour. We are just retracing to that demand area. You see? Right? That's it. The order flow is bearish, but the higher time frame, the 1 hour, is still bullish. We are just dropping lower. We are dropping low. Right? I'm just looking for the sales in there to drop lower into that discount area. When we reach that area, I am looking for nothing else other than buys. Really, the trend is your friend until it isn't, right? There's a higher probability of longs occurring on the 1 hour as to a bearish movement on the 15 minutes. I mean, I'm just, you understand? So I'd rather be on the higher probability side. Anyways, let's go. Let's check Euro USD, right? On Euro USD, how are we looking? You see, we also had a 15 minutes change of character. As you can see there, I was bullish. I was bullish on the 15. There, I took the entry. I was bullish. I was completely bullish, right? And see, I got stopped out, but fortunately, I closed that trade. I closed it, right? I was still bullish, even when price continued dropping lower. I was still bullish. I was looking for changes of character that were going to take me higher, that were going to take me further high to the moon, right? Why? Let me tell you why, right? Because on the 4 hours, we are still bullish. See, we have a fair value gap there within the 4 hour time frame. We are still bullish. This is what I mean when I say top down analysis, right? Price is telling me a story. That's all there is to it. Price is just telling me a story, right? On the 4 hours, we are still bullish, right? The 4 hour time frame carries far greater weight than the 15 minutes or the 3 minutes, right? The 4 hours carries far greater weight, right? We are still bullish on the 4 hours. This is just a retracement. That's all it is. It's just a retracement. So what would I be doing? I'm looking for the change. I'd be looking for the change of character on the Euro USD that's going to indicate for further higher, for further bullish moves, and then we can take out that 4 hour high because it's market structure. You're high, you're low, you're higher high, higher low, higher high. Right? We're just going. It's that simple. And if that doesn't occur, we'll have a change of character. Therefore, we have a market structure shift. Then I'd be looking for shorts. It's that simple, right? If I adjust my risk and my profit target is 1 to 2, three times greater than what I have to risk, then over a series of trades, I'll be profitable, right? I don't need to hit the home runs. I just need to be consistent, right? That's that's all it is. I mean, bro, man, people are just okay. Let's see. What's going on right now? Yeah, I think that's really nothing to my excitement right now. Right? We're still we're still having a change of character, 15 minutes change of character, right? We're still bearish on the 15 minutes. I'm waiting for that change of character to go bullish. If we do go bullish, then I'm longing. I don't see why I should hesitate. I'm longing. If not, then we're gonna make a change of character. Then I'd be going bearish. Then I'd be confirmed that okay, you know what? Now the sales are a good time because we're in the discount area. We're in the 4 hour discount area. We just filled in that fair value gap right there, right? And we're going. I'm going long. It makes sense to go long, right? And worst case scenario, if I don't get the change of character on the 15 minutes, then I'll get it on the 4 hours and then I'll be looking to go short. The opportunities are endless, right? This is my one shot. My I don't I can't I've already passed week 1. I'm going into I've already passed I'm going into week 2 and like week 3, week 4 I needed to be by as soon as possible. I'm not rushing the process, but I am indeed trusting it, and I need I can't afford to fuck up again. No, I can't. Anyways, right, just following my plan. I'm just following my plan. My plan works. My plan works for me. It works for me. It's consistent for me, and that's all that really matters for me. Okay, right. Now I'm just marking out. Right now on the 15 minutes, the order flow is bearish. right? I'm marking out my areas of supply. We could dive into that area of supply and possibly in there look for shorts to further take us down deeper into the fair value gap, or it'll make a change of character, giving us a confirmation that we're going bullish on the 4 hours and we should be looking for longs to take out the 4 hour highs, creating higher highs. It's that simple. The trend is your friend until it isn't. Distinguish understanding your plan. What is your directional bias? What time frame do you use? Right? Now I understand that we'll be retracing into that 15-minute supply area right there, right? We might make a change of character and break it. We might continue, right? So now idealistically, if I go into the 3 minutes or the 1 minute time frame and I get a change of character in that premium, I'll go short. Yes, I'll go short and take out the 15-minute lows, right? The trend is your friend until it isn't. I don't know. I can't determine if price is going to go deeper into the fair value gap and then that's when we'll get. I can't tell you that. Nobody can. And anybody who claims that they can is lying to you. Or they're making it up. People make up the reasons. Bro, you will never, let me tell you, you will never predict what's going to happen next on the charts. Nobody can. Right? I'm just following my plan. The market structure is bearish, right? And the 15 minutes time frame holds far greater weight than the 1 minute. The 1 hour holds far greater weight than the 15 minutes. I'm just following. You see, here we go. Right? I was long on GU. Right? Why? We had a change of character on the 15 minutes. 1 minute there, I was long. And I got that change. Right? I marked out that 15 minutes break there, price into the premium there. It didn't tap in. It's whatever. Right? I'm still waiting for price to go into that area. Until it gets there, there's nothing I can do. Right? Same with gold. Right? Gold gave a change of character there, waiting for it to tap into that supply. Until it does, I'm on my hands. Let's check Swiss franc JPY. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Looks nice. Ooh, looks very nice. Oh my gosh. Yes, 1 hour break of structure there with the 15 minutes change of character there. Oh, okay. Let me take a long. Yeah, no, let me take a long. Let me take a long position. Yeah, let me take a buy. I can't predict. I can't predict if it's gonna go up. If it won't go up. But this my trading plan. It's in line. You know. Let me take the trade. Let me take it. Fair value gap in there. I don't care. Price is already in the discount area. Take a long. Take a long. Stop loss will just be below that 15 minutes low, and take profit those 15 minutes slash 1 hour highs. Yes, it's a perfect. It's a nice setup. It's a nice setup. It might not even work. Probably hit my stop loss. Who cares, right? Just following the plan. Risk what I need to risk. Risk what I need to risk. If it plays out, it plays out. If it doesn't, it is what it is. Move on to the next one. I can't predict what happens. So why should I get fixated on staying in a losing trade? Why not just move on to the next one? Right? I mean, come on. Busy. I can't cry myself to sleep. Anyway, let's check. Okay. Uh, deep room. Okay, let me check. Yeah, recent price scale. What? And I just yeah. Let me take it. Let me take it. Need to possibly go to my Fundix. Yeah. Let me take it. I'm just trying to see. Just trying to confirm. Trying to see if there's anything I'm not seeing correctly. Zoom in into price. Yeah, but Mm, mm. Swiss franc JPY. I don't know, cause I'm bearish on on GBPJPY, right? Um, but but then again, price is giving you what it's giving you, you know. And I really think that I shouldn't get fixated on the outcomes of a trade. So yeah, man, who cares? Yeah, for taking this position. If we're wrong, it is okay. GBPNZD trades. The those ones are still running. Those ones are still doing the things. Yeah, GBPNZD we executed on those buys. Executed earlier before I started the video. Yeah, cause so now just want to execute on the Swiss franc. Did I just say Swiss franc? Oh my gosh. Yeah, on the Swiss JPY. Right. I want to execute on the longs, the buys. Let's get the price. 15 on 1 hour. Yeah, I'm gonna focus on the 1 hour time frame. Uh, right. Yeah, I'm long. Break of structure that low. Yeah, 190.470. Yeah, 190.470. That's the stop loss. Gonna risk 10,000. Yeah, 10,000. 190.470. That's that's just that's just the that's the take profit. 190.470. 30, okay, losing $39. Take profit 190, 192. Wait, one 192.700. $105. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Okay. At least from minus 1.2 from risking 13,000 to 94.17, $50. Yeah. At least risk $50. Okay, 192,700. 109. What? 109? No, that doesn't seem right. Yeah, 137. Yeah, okay. Bye. Bye. Risking $50 for 139. Let me see 2 point something. Okay, GBPNZD buys $7 profit minus Swiss franc. Okay. Yeah. Okay, mine what down nigga and what down $10.40. This is the position value, current price, stop loss, nigga 2.28900, take profit 2.35253. That's the GBP NZD trade, right? The Swiss franc JP, the CHF JPY trade. Stop loss 190.4700, take profit 192.7 thousand, and then at current price at yeah, okay, yeah. Back to trading view. I don't know. Let's see. But yeah, as I was telling you, I don't think it's healthy. I don't think it's healthy to be trade by trade driven. You know, because like you can't be expecting an outcome whenever you press the button. I mean, you should just be expecting something to happen. but you can't be emotionally attached to that outcome. You know, and I'm realizing that I don't need the next trade to work because I no longer think in that aspect or in that ratio. Now I'm thinking, you know, over the next 20 trades, over the next month, 2 months, right? Yeah, let me just put my position so you guys can see visually 190.47 T stop loss. Yeah, put it on 72 for just for the sake of, but I know it's 190.47. Yeah, 92,700. Yeah, I put 696 for visual clarity, and yeah, that's it. Took the Swiss franc JPY lock in, locking in a loss. uh, but who cares, man? Anyways, on to the next one. Uh, mhm. I don't know. I'm trying to give you guys like big screen vibes type. Oh, okay, there we go. Yeah, working on a budget. Yeah, so subscribe, hit that so we can, you know, afford a trading style. Anyways, as I was explaining, you could see on GBPJPY, I'm bearish, completely bearish. Like I'm expecting a huge drop on GBPJPY, extreme drop, extreme within this whole week, possibly this whole month going into December. Complete drop on GBPJPY. As of now, the date, yeah, right. CAD Swiss franc, well, bullish on the 15 minutes, but I don't see anything appetizing. The price just already broke a 15 minutes high, and I don't have any real trade setup. Price is not in demand or in premium. It just broke a major high. Nothing. Okay, this looks nice. Euro NZD, but we've already broken the 1 minute, made a 1 minute change of character. Okay, this is the GBPNZD trade that we're currently in. Guys, yeah, man, there's really nothing. The markets are boring. Man, the markets are boring, and I gotta sit and wait. I don't know, maybe possibly we'll come back. Uh, yeah, I'm just trying to see if I'm not missing anything. You know, just trying to see. Okay, oh my gosh, oh my god. I mean, yeah, I don't know. Anyways, yeah, that's about it for now. We'll see. We'll see how shit goes. Oops. Yeah. Let's try to see. 257. Remember I've already passed week one, so it's just showing. Okay, minus. Okay. Now I'm currently in profits on the GBPNZD trade. Yeah. Please. Okay. Yeah, I think we'll come back. I don't know. I think we'll come back, and then yeah, man. Just trying to show you guys what's popping on this Fundix. You see, this is the leaderboard. These are the recently funded guys. South Africa's up there. W's in the comments. Nigeria, my Lago Nine, my Niger bros. They're up there. Shit. Zika, okay. Yeah, man. Bunch of countries. Nah, I'm ashamed to say I can't. I don't really. Ah, man. Yeah, bro. Ghana, Cameroon, Tanzania. Oh my word, man. W's in the chat, in the comments. I'm saying in the chat like I'm on the stream or something. Idiot. But yeah, man. See the top three there. Yeah, got the wallet there. Okay. Just can leave that. Just navigating. Trying to. Yeah, these are the rules and conditions. Right, 100,000 capital, leverage, allowed strategies, duration, unlimited. Profit target, you have to make 1,000, right? So just for clarity, right, you only get 20% profit split. That's the only like big red flag that I believe that. But understand, you're not depositing any money. You are just passing an internship. You're getting paid to trade for free, right? But you're only getting a 20% profit split. You can use that 20% to buy yourself a prop firm account, or which is my one of my goals, right? Should I get a payout? To be honest, I've seen some YouTube videos, people getting payouts from, right, but I'm still a bit skeptical about Fundix, but you know, there's no harm in trying and seeing what happens. Now I just want to set a price alert on my stop loss there. I'm really skeptical about this trade. My heart is not there on this, but on the GBPNZD, I'm rather I am rather you know I don't know what it is, man. Just the confidence, it feels rather different with this trade. Given that GBPNZD, every time I analyze it, you know, I do a rather good analysis. But yeah, man, price is moving, and I'm thinking I'm gonna have to start doing my French now, cause I really see no need to be on the markets like this. Price has been entered and everything. Let me just check if there are any news that I should be aware. But it's Monday, 3 November. I mean, come on. Monday, there are no news. But I wouldn't be sure with Trump, with Donald Trump being president. I can never be sure these days. I can never be sure. Man, what things network. Okay, there we go. Nah, nothing major. Okay, except for the Swiss franc CPI. And I'm in this, oh, but it's already over. Okay, it's whatever. Oh, down, oh my gosh, okay. USD, ISM, manufacturing PMI. Um, okay, it's whatever, really, the way I see it. Yeah, Mondays, am I right? Then Tuesdays, yeah. But yeah, man, other than that, mechanical, I'm a passive technical trader, you know, price is king in my honest opinion. But I do integrate fundamentals. Don't get me wrong. Don't Fundamentals are king, right? But price for me, I just use fundamentals. But yeah, man, that's hopefully story for that's a video for another day. Okay, we're up $11, $18 in GBPNZD profits. Swiss franc was still in the negatives. I don't. Once I open the trade, I need to be in. Well, drawdowns are there. Oh, hey, I think I'm a drawdown king, really. Yeah, I think I'm a drawdown king. Cause I wanna say if my trades aren't in profits immediately, like I get skeptical, but I realize that no, that's not the case. I'm actually a drawdown king. You know, boom, crash, spikes up. It's just 20. Trying to give you guys a bit of a sense of a background of week one, how what I was doing. But yeah, anywho, let's. Yeah, this was. Uh, then now up to 182. Yeah. Yeah, man. I don't know, guys. Could I possibly just play background music instead of like letting like the awkward silence, right? I mean, or maybe I should now stop recording.
A few moments later.
Je vais bien, et toi, tu vas bien? I am very well, and you? Are you doing well? I'm doing well, and you? Yes, okay, got it. Hmm. Fils the sun. Fils the sun. Oui, je vais bien, merci. Yes, I'm doing well. Thank you. Ton, ton fils est professeur. Ma fille est journalist. Your father is a teacher. No, sorry. Your son is a. Your ton feels. Yeah, correct. Okay, yes. Ma femme, ma femme s'appelle Alice. My wife's name is Alice. Paul's daughter, la fille de Paul. De Paul, okay. Says Mac, il a un fils et une fille. Son fils s'appelle Paul et ish. Says Mac, il a un fils et une fille. Son fils s'appelle Paul et il habite à Paris. Sa fille s'appelle Manon et elle habite à Bordeaux. Manon is it is Mark. It is Mark. He has a son and a daughter. The son's his son's name is Paul. He lives in Paris. His daughter's name is Manon and she lives in Bordeaux. So Manon is I failed the mark. Okay, my wife's name is Alice. Ma femme s'appelle Alice. Is your husband doing well? How is your husband doing? Is he doing well? Is your husband doing well? Okay. Le de luz. Le fil de luz. Le fields. Le fields de luz. Mark's wife. Mark's wife. Mark's wife. La femme de Mark. Let's fix some mistakes. Le fil de Paul.
Three hours later.
Okay, yeah, we're back in. Right, I think it's been roughly 3 hours, and we're heading back into trading view to see how the positions are going. Uh, for those who only, yeah, I think we entered GBPNZD and CHFJPY trades, both longs. Here we are still in the negatives on the Swiss franc JPY. We are still negative, but the setup still hasn't been invalidated. This is where the patience comes in. You know what I mean? I mean, still in drawdown, but yeah, we're just sitting through it. GBPNZD, we're looking very good. We're looking very good. We're in profits. The setup is technically the setup is still going, as you can see where the take profit actually is. Hence, I'm a swing trader for those who don't know. Actually, all of y'all don't know. But yeah, let's see. You can already see that we're up. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Nice. Okay. Love to see it. I love seeing it, man. But as you remember, the target is $250 for week two. So we're still holding the positions. I think that's the Swiss franc JPY trade that's rather lagging me behind. But I executed it. It followed my trading plan. There's nothing I can do about it except sit on my hands and wait. Or, you know, yeah, it's still the same trade. Mm, I don't know, man. This is French JPY trade. So they just closed now, but setup still hasn't been invalidated. I don't want to be doing funny things. No, I'm not trying to be funny. You know, I ain't Kevin Hart. I think let's just switch off. We'll come tomorrow.
One day later.
Okay. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, and I just want to see what's going on. You know, very unhealthy. See, check the shot in the morning. Sorry about that. Mm. What's going on? What's going on? Oh my god. Oh, oh my gosh, stop losses hit. What? Oh my gosh. Yo, wake up in the morning to a stop losses hit. Oh my gosh. Mm. Oh my, yo. Did it? Yeah, it hit. That's Swiss franc, Japanese yen. It hit. Stop loss got hit. Okay. Yeah, can't dwell about it. Uh, just that by a few pips, but the setup is never wrong. It might continue dropping further down. At least I got out early. Got out with a small loss. Yeah, hopefully, setup got invalidated. Let's check. Let's check. GBPNZD. Let me see. Okay, price is still. Uh, GBPJPY. The 1 minute still hasn't broken, so the cells could still be in play. We'll see. Let's see what's going on with Fundix. Uh, let's see what's going on. 453. Uh, okay, okay. So okay, plus the loss for Swiss franc JPY. Okay, GBPJPY. Should we? Okay, let's see first. Yeah, we took a $52 loss. Uh, okay. Okay, GBPJPY cells are still in play. The low wasn't broken. I just need $40 to complete. I need $40 to complete. Okay, let me see what I can do. Uh, um, yeah, these are just. This is my second internship, by the way. I failed the first one. Right, I failed my first attempt. See, on GBPNZD, we would have passed week 2 already. Okay. 47%. Almost there. Almost there. Just 3%, 3% left. But it's still morning, Maybe I should just sit it out. Maybe the markets will do its thing. Anyways, we'll see later.
A few moments later.
Okay, I mean, now I'm feeling rather confident with the GBPJPY cells. I'm thinking I'm just gonna scalp. I really want to finish with week 2 as soon as possible. So I'm just gonna scalp a sell. And then once I reach the 250 mark, I close both trades immediately. I don't think I'm gonna wait for the GBP NZD buys to reach that high. Yeah, so this is rather it, you know. Oh man, 45%. The boring part is the key factor to the success, but it's also boring. Ugh. Okay, let's just see what's going on. Let me just put the metrics in the trading view for the GBPJPY cells. Yeah, plus GBPJPY cells Asian session. Makes sense, right? Expecting a quick move and then, oh my gosh, network. Yo, embarrassing. Oh man, yo, yes, yes, can't believe it. I can't believe it. She on me, me, I think she want me. Okay, there we go. Yeah, yeah, let's go. Entering a short position. We enter the short position 2023030 Okay, it's okay, fine. Entered the. Okay, sorry about that. 202.30. Okay, man. Stop loss just above the 1 minute high, and then actually the full take profit would be the 1 hour low because we're also bearish on the 1 hour time frame, so we'd be expecting the 1 hour low to be taken out, right? But as I've mentioned, I don't plan on holding this trade long, so it would possibly just be a scalp. But for future reference, y'all can come back and y'all will know that the boy caught the move. But it's whatever. Okay, Fundix, let's check. I was still, uh, was still, no real movements. Okay, GBPJPY sells in profits now. I think. Mhm. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, we'll come back later, man. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Yeah. Okay. We're back. Uh. Oh, okay. Sorry. My network. Bruv. Yeah. I'm actually hoping to be in profits so that I can close the trades. Okay, AUD USD it continued dropping, didn't reach our 15-minute premium. It's whatever. On to the next one. GBPJPY, how are we looking so far? Still no movements. Okay, we'll see. GBPNZD was still retracing. I think I should lower the stop, the take profit on this one because I don't think I'll be holding it for that long. There, yeah. Although I anticipated to break there, don't get me wrong. My trading plan is on point for me. I anticipated it, but I don't think I'm gonna hold it until it reaches there. I just want to finish week two, get to week three, focus on week three, get to week four, focus on week four, and then I'm funded, and then focus on getting a payout. The first payout should be my last payout, TBH. Yeah. Mm, let's see. Okay. Just for clarity, still in micro profits. Okay. Yeah, just something small. I won't be holding that whole profit. I won't be holding that whole move. I just want to pass week two and f- move on to the next phase and yeah, get a payout, man. GBPNZD, no sudden spikes by any chance, just for me to get out. Man, stingy ass markets. Anyways, let's check the Fundix and then we'll come back. We'll come back later. Okay, 231. 219. Refresh it. Yeah. Once it reaches 250 or 500 profits, I know that I'm done. And then we'll We'll be moving on to week three. Yes, you heard that right. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just hoping maybe sudden spec movement, but to be honest, this is completely boring to be starting off my morning like this. Hey y'all, I'm finna log out, man. I'll come back in. I'll come and check back in later. Yeah, uh,
1 hour later.
yeah, man. To be honest, right now I'm actually hoping for big movements. Why you never hold your son until I'm saying cheese? Yeah, man, I'm actually hoping for big movements right now, and I just wanna close the trades, and then yeah, yo, guys, nah, I just hate leaving things uncompleted. Well, master as procrastinator. Not sure what I'm aiming for right now. But oh my gosh, the music is so distracting. Yeah. What? Nigga, what? Oh, okay. Right. AUD USD. Oh my gosh, it dropped, guys. Euro USD. Let's see what's popping. GBPJPY. Please the move. Okay, there we go. I'm done. Yeah, I'm done, guys. I am. Yeah, I'm done with week two. That is the completion of week two. GBPNZD. What's going on? Talk to me. Final jumping down. Nah, what? No, hell no. Okay, those are just the US bonds. Okay, yeah, I'm done. I am complete with week two. Right, I don't even need to check anything else, guys. Let's go to Fundix and let's see. Yeah, yeah. Oh, 540. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I am completely done. Whatever happens, I am closing. Close. I am done. I want nothing else to do with the markets for the whole entire week. Right now, I'm just probably gonna put together this, and yeah, guys, there we go. Week two done and dusted. You know, um, I think, yeah, close the position. Let's close it. Hey, close. Thank you. Thank you. Why is it saying negative? Okay, there we go. Week two of Fundix done. 2 more weeks to go. $1,000 total. I mean, yeah, let's go, man. The grind is never over. Consistency beats talent. Yeah.